Okay, here we have a maybe five generation recipe for apricot brandy cake. On this one I was thinking outside the box. Here I try to make a dessert link, slicing up blueberries and strawberries, seasoning them with Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. I ground up some of the apricot brandy cake, mixed in some cream cheese, stuffed the sausage link, smoked the links on my Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro 2300, plated on a strawberry cream cheese with a strawberry tequila daiquiri sauce and a lemon zest on top. This is just some brownie mix that I smoked on my Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro 2300. This will be used in one of the recipes yet to come. So here I made some waffles, grilled some pineapple, watermelon, plums, peaches, and two types of nectarines, one being of the white flesh variety, seasoned with Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake. Sauce is a watermelon flavored rum, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Topped it off with some confectionery sugar. This one, I tell you, you could catch a buzz if you ate this plateful. This was a first for me. It was a hair puller. Fried ice cream and fried banana split. Rum soaked cherries, rum infused fudge sauce, salted caramel with pecan chips. This was a hard one. Don't let anybody tell you that deep frying ice cream is easy, because it's not. This was pretty hard to do, but man, that banana split, that thing rocked. And last but not least, I had some leftover brownie, leftover ice cream, and fudge and stuff, so I just made a hot fudge sundae. Started at the bottom of the sundae glass with some of the smoked brownie, a little bit of marshmallow cream, some more brownie and ice cream, and topped it with the salted caramel, hot fudge with the rum. And what else did I put on it? Pecans and rum soaked cherries and a little bit of whipped cream.